Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your spending limit on Klarna Mobile. Let's get into it. First, open the app on your phone. Tap on the Klarna icon on your phone screen to open it up. Wait for the home screen to load fully so you can see all the main buttons. Next, go to your purchase screen. You need to navigate away from the store page and find the section that tracks your money and your orders. Look at the bottom bar of the screen and click on the button that says Purchase. Wait for the new page to open up with your financial details. By moving to this specific section, you are telling the system you want to check your status rather than buy something new. It ensures the app pulls up your personal account tools. Next, find the spending power box. Now you need to look at the screen to locate the exact area where your estimated spending money is shown. Scroll down slightly on the screen until you see a section called Purchase Power. Look for the big number that tells you how much you are allowed to spend right now, because this number changes based on how well you pay your bills. By finding this box, you can see the maximum amount of money the app will let you use today. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can plan your shopping without getting turned down at the checkout line. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.